G'day everybody, it's cider month. It's February and I'm doing a February cider month. So today I'm doing a new one again. It's called Sci-Fi Cider Fiction Cold Pressed Alcoholic Apple Cider. Cold pressed. Now I've heard of that before and it means it's just basically what it says. All these apple ciders were donated to me by my daughter-in-law. She knows that I like doing tasty drinks. I don't actually like getting drunk. But she's been giving me these 8+% alcohol level apple ciders, and it's been a bit of a challenge to tell you the truth. Now that blinking you're seeing, if you see him blipping, it might be annoying for you. I'm doing a all-grain brew at the moment, and it's the grain fibre pulsating the flow of current to the elements to keep it at its specific temperature. Just don't let that bother you. It's nothing for you to worry about. This is a sci-fi cider fiction, okay, cold pressed alcoholic apple cider. It's 5% alcohol, and on the back, yeah, I'll give you a picture, show you a picture of that. Look at that. On the back it says it's restricted, made in the Barossa. That's Barossa Valley. I think Barossa Valley is known for wine. Conspiracy, probably created by a renowned winemaker. Oh, interesting. Fiction, you'll know by the taste if that's true. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, that's loud. Already nice smelling. I'll pour it into my glass. Like I said, the Barossa Valley is a wine region, so I guess that's why they wrote that right up on it. Now that's pretty much right. What surprises me is it's got a head on it, and it's holding the head a little. So it's not as, what would you say, as soft drinky as the other two were, or three. Very clear apple cider. Now it's clouding up because it's quite humid out here today. And no yeasty smell like usual. Very clean smelling, fresh. There's nothing really written up about this one. It's not really much on it. But because it's from a wine region, it's probably going to be dry. Let's try it. I'm definitely wrong. It's very sweet, actually. Lots of carbonation, which I believe that should happen anyway. Definitely just apple. It's beautiful. It tastes like green apples mixed with a bit of some of the Granny Smiths. That's got a really sweet taste to it. It's actually quite nice. The sweetness is a bit overbearing. There's no sharpness or tangy taste in it. I'm getting no other flavours. It really does taste just appley. It's very bright, hardly any colour to it at all. It's very refreshing, very nice. I hope my cider that I made, my pear cider that I'm making, comes out as good. That's really good. Very tasty, very, very tasty. Refreshing, very nice, good to drink around your pool when you're having a nice hot day, relaxing. Wouldn't want to drink 10 of these, one will do. It's very sweet, a little bit sickening in a way. Very smooth and soft on the tongue, except for the carbonation, which is purely highly carbonated, really is strong in carbonation. And it's a fairly normal tasting apple cider. If you guys have had Mercury apple ciders, it's very similar to that, if you're interested. Really nice. Not something I buy every day, but the other three that I just did are much more tastier and have a bit more variety in the flavouring. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for giving me that really beautiful thumbs up that you guys seem to be giving me more of lately. Cheers guys, we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully it's a more tasty apple cider. Alright guys, see you next one. Oh, I'm doing sorry, I forgot to tell you. I'm doing a all-grain beer at the moment by Kegland. It's a stout and it's something coming up soon, so hopefully you guys will like that too. Give me another 4 weeks before it's all ready to go. Alright guys, we'll see you soon. Bye!